Check the record, check the score. The band, the next generation of bad.
I'm back and I'm hitting them hard. Breast don't sag. I don't need no push-up bra. Chick, you mad? Babs got a brand new car. Drop top in the hood. I'm the ghetto superstar. Breathe. Pop bottles and roll up ears. Back strong arm chicks like I'm Hercules. You got a problem? Come see the girl. I solve them. Big belly women, we starve them. Dudes in the hood, we evolve them. Whenever they flossing, better us in your chain. Duke to keep on walking. You a thug while you keep on talking. Let's get it cracking. Get your girl stomped out in the club. I make it happen. I got this. Did you done let me out?
Go, baby.
Spit sick when I open my mouth.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Honeypot organic regular pads. I got these from Target. I just opened them because I wanted to see what all the hype is about with these pads, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to go and put one on. And no, I am not on my cycle, but even if I was, it's none of your business. But I'm gonna go ahead and go put one of these on and let y'all know what this thing feels like. I hear that it burns. I hear that it is a tingling sensation when you put these on. I'm not sure exactly what to expect, but it does have mint, lavender, and aloe in it, and it is plant-derived and all herbal, and this is made by the Honeypot company, which is a black-owned company. I currently use their feminine wash. This is the normal foaming feminine wash. This is all natural as well. I'll put a picture here, but I love this wash. So this is one of the feminine washes I use. This is an external vaginal cleanser that you use in the shower. You shake it, pump. You shake it, pump 3 times, and then you just let it foams up really good, and then it rinses really clean. So make sure that before you use this, you also clean your hands, of course, so that you don't introduce any bacteria into your external area or into your vaginal area. So this is only to be used externally, not internally. But again, this is made by the Honeypot Co. And I really love this this wash. I think this one does not have a smell. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna try one of these on, and I'm gonna be right back. Y'all, oh my God, y'all, this, I don't know how long this is gonna last. Oh my God, y'all. Oh. Somebody need to get the fire extinguisher. I don't know, like, it's kind of a burning sensation. It's kind of a burning sensation. It don't burn like it's on fire burner. It's like literally it is like a, starts off like a icy hot. It feels like an icy hot. What the heck is going on down there? Oh my God. I wonder how long this is gonna last. So y'all, it's not horrible. It is it's a tingling / cooling feeling effect. So it's like an icy hot. It feels like like you put an icy hot. You know how if you ever use the icy hot like on your muscles, and it starts off like with a warm sensation, tingling sensation, like it's pulling your muscles. This feels like it's actually warm. Oh my God, this is so different. This is so different. It's like, what the heck is going on down there? Yeah, so it's like a tingling / cooling sensation, y'all. A tingling, cooling sensation. So it's not horrible. Let me just say that. It's not horrible. And yeah, I was having a little bit of stomach pain, but it feels like it's even working for, it's weird. So this is what it looks like. And excuse my nails, but they are slowly coming off. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And it smells like, kind of smells, I don't even really know what menthol smells. This kind of smells like a menthol or something. But yeah, this is really tingling. Like, I'm not even gonna say that it like, it's not a horrible burn or tingling, but it's just weird. Like when you're so used to, when you've been using these things all your life, and it's just something that you wouldn't even expect. So it looks like these come in, they have liners, regular, super, and overnight. And it looks like I just have the regular. So it has a little grid on here in the back to show you what they have and what they're for. But it looks like I have the regular. And these are the regular size. So y'all, this is so freaking weird. This is amazing. This is an amazing product. The Honeypot code never fails me. I currently have used 2 different of the feminine washes, and also the Honeypot Vulva Cream that is coconut and I think lavender. Y'all, this is still freaking tingling and cooling down there. Oh my god, y'all, it's like frying chicken. It's like it's like frying chicken. That's what it feels like down there. You know how you hear your chicken frying in the skillet? That's the best thing I can describe what this feels like right now. It feels like it's starting to wear off, but yeah. So yeah, for the most part, I know my description of these penny lighters probably is horrifying, but it actually doesn't feel bad. It actually, like I said, it feels like it feel like it's relaxing the area down there. But to describe the cooling and the burning, it's not burning. It's not burning. It's just, it's tingling. We're not going to describe it as a burning. It's a tingling. It's a freaking tingling sensation. So it's a tingling, warm, tingling, then / cool sensation. Okay? So I'm excited to use these. And it's not bulky. You actually feel like it feel like you don't even have anything on. It's very thin. I don't know how the other ones are as far as the super and the overnight, but this is the regular. These are pretty thin. And yeah, so go get you some. The Honeypot. These are amazing. I don't know how long this tingling sensation gonna last, but it's lasting. It's been already, what, about 5 minutes or so? But yeah, I recommend the Honeypot. Honeypot Co. Go get you some. Target. You can get these at Target is where I found them at, and I think they were only about $7 or $8, but I'd highly recommend these. Considering, I don't know if they have tampons or not. I'm not a tampon user, but these are all natural. And, you know, I guess a lot of people, I don't suffer from them, but a lot of people suffer from abdominal cramps and stuff when it comes to their cycle. And I think these just might help with that, considering the cooling and tingling sensation down there. So go get you some. Honeypot Co. Get them at Target. And thank you for watching.
For the camera now, flick, flick, flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, flick, flick. Pose for the camera now, flick.